can get started on replacing this rear main seal here. So something in the book says to check the gap between the seal and the retainer, but I have no idea what the retainer is, so I'm just going to peel this out real quick with the, I'm using like a kind of duller flathead screwdriver. When we got that out, I'm going to hit it with some brake cleaner. And then we're going to take our brand new seal and we're going to get a little bit of fresh oil and run it on the inside. Just ease that on in there. And then we're going to use this old gasket here and use that kind of to drive the new gasket in.